everyone! Today, we're going to supercharge your Mac workflow. If you're tired of reaching for your mouse every time you want to wrap up your work, this video is for you. We're going to learn how to put your Mac to shut down, restart, or sleep using simple, custom keyboard shortcuts. Let's dive in. The mouse journey is too slow. First, let's look at the standard way, the mouse journey. To shut down or restart, you have to click the Apple icon, select Shut Down, and then click a confirmation button. That's 3 tedious clicks every single time. For sleep, it's 2 clicks. It might not seem like much, but when you do it every day, those extra seconds and the break in focus really add up. The default shortcuts require finger gymnastics. Now, macOS does have built-in shortcuts, but they aren't very user-friendly. Most require finger gymnastics, pressing 4 keys like Command, Option, Control, and the power button all at once. It's almost impossible to do with one hand. Plus, on modern Macs with Touch ID, the power button often just locks your screen or triggers the login window instead of showing the power menu. We need a better, faster way. The goal: your own custom keys. Our goal today is to set up easy, memorable shortcuts that you decide. Imagine just hitting Option+S to shut down, Option+R to restart, or Option+L to sleep or lock. It's fast, ergonomic, and keeps your hands on the keyboard. We'll explore 3 secret paths to achieve this. Method number 1 uses the built-in Shortcuts app. This is the most flexible method because it allows you to choose whether you want a confirmation dialog or if you want the Mac to shut down instantly. It's a powerful tool that comes pre-installed on macOS Monterey and later. Here's how to set it up. Open the Shortcuts app and click the plus to create a new one. In the search bar on the right, type Shutdown and drag that action into the main area. Now, here's the pro tip. Click the eye icon for details and select Add Keyboard Shortcut. Set it to something like Option+S. If you want a safety net, make sure Ask Each Time is checked. If not, your Mac will shut down immediately when you hit the keys. Method 2. Method 2 is for the purists. We'll use the native macOS system settings. This method requires no extra apps and works by mapping a shortcut directly to the menu items of the Apple menu. It's clean and stays out of your way. The System Settings pathway. Precision is key. Navigate to System Settings, then Keyboard, Keyboard Shortcuts, and finally, App Shortcuts. Click the plus and select All Applications. Here's the critical part. The menu title must be exact. For example, Shut Down period must have 3 dots, an ellipsis. If you don't match the menu text perfectly, including those dots, the shortcut simply won't work. Once you type the name, record your shortcut, like Option+S, and you're set. Method 3. Raycast, the power user choice. The third method is my personal favorite, Raycast. Raycast is a free, third-party productivity launcher that replaces Spotlight. It's incredibly fast and designed for keyboard-first users. If you aren't using Raycast yet, this is the perfect excuse to start. Setting this up in Raycast takes seconds. Open Raycast with your command palette, usually Command plus space. Then open its settings with Command plus comma. Go to the Extensions tab and find the System section. You'll see Shut Down, Restart, and Sleep right there. Just click the hotkey field and record your preferred shortcut. That's it. No scripting or precise spelling required. Which method is right for you? Let's compare. The Shortcuts app is great if you want to toggle confirmation dialogues. System Settings is perfect if you want to stay strictly native, though it's a bit slower to set up. Raycast is the fastest to configure and offers the most speed for power users. All of them are miles better than the default finger gymnastics. And there you have it, 3 ways to take control of your Mac's power settings. Try these out today and let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you save time, and subscribe for more Mac productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and happy typing!